Maths Part 2nd, Standard 10th, Unit number 1, Similarity, Basic Proportionality Theorem and Converse, Part 3. Hi friends, today we are going to learn about Maths Part 2nd, Unit number 1st, Similarity in an important theorem, Basic Proportionality Theorem. Here see the statement of this basic proportionality theorem in short form BPT. Statement: if a line parallel to a side of a triangle intersects the remaining side in two distant points, then the line divides this side in the same proportion. If, here the statement if to, then this is the given part of this theorem, and using the information of this statement first draw a figure of this statement. I draw a figure here. See the below figure, observe this figure and write down the given write down in the using figure information and if to then part of this statement. In triangle ABC, line L parallel to line BC. In triangle ABC, line L parallel line BC, and line intersect side AB and side BC in a point P and Q respectively, and line L intersects AB and AC in a point P and Q respectively. This is the given. Next, write down the to prove is the information given in this statement after the part of then the line divide the side in the same proportion. Here the line L divide two side AB and AC, two part, first part is AP and second PB, and here this side AQ upon QC in these two part. Therefore, to prove the line divide the side into same proportion, first AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon QC. Here the to prove construction write down construction T construction is useful to write down the proof of this theorem. Here construction: draw segment PC and segment BQ. Draw segment PC and BQ and segment BQ. Segment BQ. Write down the proof of this theorem. Two bases. Here there is an area proportionate to bases. Then second two triangle APQ and a triangle PQC. Here the P is a common vertex of these two triangle. Therefore area of the height of this triangle have a equal height. Therefore area of two triangle has proportional to their bases. Therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC is equal to bases. First base of triangle AQ and second triangle base is a QC. In the second statement, areas proportionate to bases. Write down the reason. Areas proportionate to bases. Here the segment PQ is a common base of a triangle PQB and a triangle PQC. In a triangle, segment PQ is a perpendicular to segment BC. Hence triangle PQB and a triangle PQC have a equal heights. Here the segment PQ is a common base of a triangle PQB and a triangle PQC and segment PQ is a perpendicular to segment BC. Hence triangle PQB and triangle PQC have a equal heights. Hence triangle PQB and a triangle PQC have equal heights. Therefore area of these two triangles have same. The height and base are these two triangles have same or equal, then the area of two triangle is equal. Therefore area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle PQC. This is the third statement, and using the first, second and third statement, here the area of triangle PQB and area of triangle PQC is equal. Therefore two ratios are equal. Therefore area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQB is equal to area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle PQC. The ratio area of triangle APQ and area of triangle PQB is AP upon PB. AP upon PB is equal to ratio of these two triangles AQ upon QC. This is to prove AP upon PB is equal to AQ upon AC. The scheme of this theorem in a scheme of marking, draw a diagram is a half mark, write down to given is half mark, write down to prove mark is half, or 1/2 mark to prove. In this theorem asked in your question paper, question number 3B in 3 marks. One theorem is must be asked in our question paper compulsory, and question number 3B. Let's see the converse of basic proportionality theorem. Statement of theorem: if a line divides two sides of a triangle is the same ratio, then the line is a parallel to third side. Observe following figure in triangle ABC. Line L parallel to side BC. First, the part of E to then is the given part. If a line divide two side of a triangle is the same part given line L intersects line L intersects the side AB, and side AC of a triangle ABC, in the points P and Q respectively. This is the given part, the statement if to then. Then to prove the after part of then, the line is a parallel to third side. Line L is a parallel to third side is BC. Hence line L parallel to segment BC. To prove line L parallel to segment BC, this theorem can be proved by indirect method.